Welcome to Satvidya Java tutorials. Now we are in section 8. In this lesson we are going to talk about wildcards, and before we start our explanation about wildcards, first I am going to show you an example that we are going to work out on these wildcards. So here I have a vehicle class which has two classes like water vehicle, air vehicle, ground vehicle, which extends the vehicle class. And coming to water vehicle, there are ships and boats which extends the water vehicle, and air and helicopter extends the air vehicle, and buses and train extends the ground vehicles. So here we'll concentrate on one level, which is ships. So here ships can be, again, merchandise and cruise extends the ships, and gasoline and food extends the merchandise. And if you keep moving like that, we can also concentrate on other levels. So now let's discuss our example with the one level with vehicles, water vehicles, ships, boats, merchandise, gasoline, food. Right? Now let's go to our Eclipse and work out on it. Here I have created all of the classes that I mentioned, like vehicles, water vehicles, where water vehicle extends the vehicle, and air vehicle which extends the vehicle again, and coming to ships which extends the water, and merchandise ships extends the ships, and gasoline extends the merchant ship, and coming to boats which extends we have a boats again boats can be extends to the water vehicles. So here I did not mention, we can also mention this. Extends water vehicle, extends the water vehicle. So like this you can also extend the boats. So here I have created a hierarchy like inherited. So what we are going to do here, I am going to make a method here called start. So I have created a method called start. So what I am going to do, since I made my water vehicle like a generic. So when I am making a water vehicle like a generic, I have to pass some object over here. So I am making it like a ships here. So if you want to make it like a generic, here you can do this, because any object you have to send over here. If you're trying to send like T, it is not going to allow you to do that, because this class is not a generic class. Now coming to say ships. When I'm trying to make this method like passing ships, so coming to our main method, if we are trying to start a boat instead of a ship, so what happens if you are trying to start a boat, then what happens immediately, it is going to produce an error, because you have only permission to start the ships, not the boat. Then we must ensure again start the ship only. So here what we are doing, again we are restricting, we are not making it like a generic. So in order to achieve this, what we can do is we can make, you can go for the concept called wildcards, where wildcard can be represented with the question mark sign. Look at here. So what I am going to do is, instead of mentioning a object here, because we want to make it like a generic, what I am making is, I am making it like a wildcard, like question mark symbol. So when I do that, immediately if you are coming to, I'm going to save this, if you are coming to your main method, and if you are also trying to start the boat, it is going to allow you. You can start boat, you can also start the ships. So now our method got generic. Like this you can make your method generic using the wildcards. So if you are using wildcard, that doesn't mean you have to pass only the classes that are given in your project. You can also pass any object. So it is generic to any object. You can pass object, you can pass integer, you can pass string. So let's see, here I am passing integer, so still it is going to allow you to pass the integer. So like this the wildcard is going to work. So where we can use these wildcards, we can use this wildcard as a type parameter like this, and you can also use it like a fields. You can also use it like a fields like this. And also if you want to use it like a local variable, still you can do that. Let me comment this first, because both having the same method. same definition. Okay, if I uncomment this, you can see. So you can also allow to use like local variable like this. Here our ships is also a generic type, so you can also make it like a local variable. And also you can also make it like a return type. You can also use this like a return type. Here look at this. Here I have ships where I am returning the ships. You can also do like this. So but this is not recommended, but you can still do it. So coming to where you can't use like a class. So you can make it like this. This is not allowed. Or you can't even make your method like this, like a type argument. You cannot send it like a type argument, or else you cannot make it, you cannot use it like a field like this outside. Let me make question mark, and if you want to say t, so this is also not allowed. So these are the places where we can't use. I hope you understand a little bit why we are going for wildcards. So here let's have a little bit review. Wildcards can be represented with the question mark sign. So where we can use this like type of the parameter, or you can use it like a field, local variables, return type. Where you can't use it, you can't use it like a type argument for the generic method invocation, or you cannot use a generic class instant creation, or you cannot use for the super type. So next we are going to go deep into our wildcards like upper bound and so on. So please don't miss it. Keep watching. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like and share to our friends who want to learn Java from basics. And please don't forget to subscribe. And for our notifications, please press the bell icon below. And for notes, please visit www.it.sathvidya.com. And if you want our more videos like before classes or after classes, we made everything in our Sathvidya channel like a playlist, so you can go into there and you can watch all the tutorial that was designed from the starting. So stay tuned. Thank you.